Elegance redefined, Kushal's fashion jewelry celebrates 100 stores with Bollywood celebrity Nusrat Bharucha. Bangalore, 16th July 2025, Kushal's fashion jewelry, India's leading fashion and silver jewelry brand, has marked a significant milestone with the opening of its 100th store in India. This growth milestone was celebrated at their newest outlet launch located at Nexus Koramangala Mall, Bangalore. The launch was celebrated in the presence of Bollywood actor Nusrat Bharucha, who inaugurated the store to mark what has been a remarkable journey spanning nearly 2 decades of growth and connection with consumers across the country. Kushal's fashion jewelry plans to continue its growth trajectory and is targeting 150 stores by the end of this financial year, with deeper expansion into high-growth Tier 1, 2, and 3 cities. The company also plans to launch new collections, enhance product quality through innovations in plating technology, and further expand its latest, elevated everyday line. As part of its long-term expansion roadmap, Kushal's fashion jewelry is targeting 300 stores across the country in the next 3 years, aiming to bring affordable and fashionable jewelry to every corner of the country. Founded in 2006, Kushal's fashion jewelry has built a strong presence across the country, with 100 stores in 38 cities. The brand has steadily grown among the metros and Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets, offering a unique blend of Indian craftsmanship and contemporary design. Its product portfolio spans over 10,000 meticulously crafted designs including antique, kundan, zircon, temple, and 92.5 bis hallmark sterling silver jewelry known for their superior quality and premium hand feel. The range features necklaces, earrings, chokers, rings, bracelets, mang tikas, brooches and more designed to cater to celebration, bridal, office and everyday wear. The expansion strategy reflects the brand's commitment to offering a best-in-class shopping experience. Exclusive launch day offers were added to the celebration, pulling large crowds and loyal consumers to the event. Influencers were also present, adding to the buzz and reach of the event. Commenting on the milestone, Manish Gulecha, co-founder of Kushal's fashion jewelry, said, "Reach ing 100 stores is a proud and emotional moment for us. What started as a vision in 2006 has grown into a brand that speaks to modern Indian women across India. This achievement is a result of the trust our consumers have placed in us and
his body. A chain, bracelet, who has more number of jewelry on his body."
So that's something very important. And our roots are in Bangalore, so we are very proud about it. One more small story about it is about this Nexus Mall. 2004 is when this mall was launched, and it was the first mall in Bangalore. And when we opened our first store and second or third store, we came to this mall, and then they said that only brands can come into this mall, and Destiny says that this 100 stores in here. So this is beautiful. I would thank the Nexus Mall also. This has been a very great coincidence. And
from a single spark to 100 shining destinations, from your first special pick to the pieces that became part of.
Yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Nusrat, how does it feel to be a part of the 100th store launch here today with Kushal's?
यार 100 is very important to me. मतलब हमारी पिक्चर के 100 करोड़ होते हैं तो कितनी खुशी होती है हमें पता है. तो अब आपका तो 100th store है. I don't even know how to explain that. But big congratulations. It's a big achievement. Especially the story you just said कि आपको आने नहीं दिया जा रहा था. कि आप ब्रांड नहीं हो. सेम हमारी जर्नी, हमें भी बोला था आप ब्रांड नहीं हो, आप कुछ नहीं हो, आपको कैसे हम बना दें. बट देखो हम भी बन गए और आपके भी 100 स्टोर्स खुल गए. सो बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस, सीरियसली बिग अचीवमेंट.
बहुत सारे ऑडियंस.
हॉट पिंक, कार्नेशन पिंक, ओल्ड रोज पिंक, फिर भूल गई मैं. उषा पिंक था, मजेंटा पिंक, हॉट पिंक, ओह गॉड. ऑनेस्टली इस डायलॉग के पहले मुझे खुद नहीं पता था इतने पिंक्स थे. मेरे लिए पिंक पिंक होता है और रेड रेड होता है. बट द फिल्म्स हैव टॉट मी अ लॉट यार. सो अच्छा ही हुआ कि मैंने लड़कों को भी सिखा दिया कुछ कि अलग अलग कलर्स होते हैं गाइस.
I think we girls.
Particular neck piece and it was a very easy pick because it's very contemporary, yet it has diamonds, it has a sparkle of green in it, which I really like. It goes with a lot of outfits of mine. So again, that's why I like this, because I can wear it with Indian also, with Western also, and it's got diamonds. Every girl loves diamonds. Of course, an emerald. It's my, I guess it's my Jyotishi stone, so there's an emerald in it also, which is why I picked it up in the first go. I think, and I wouldn't say the more you have, the better. But there is honestly no limit to having the number of rings and chains and earrings. But wear something that works for you, that works for your personality, and keep it usable. Like I think wear it a couple of more times and style it differently is what I would say, is what I do.
See, but we also back questions, ladies and gentlemen.